ever seen a tower of giraffes drinking in perfect synchrony? You won't believe your eyes. Watching a group of giraffes, often called a tower, lowering their long necks to drink from a watering hole is a mesmerizing sight. With their tall, elegant frames bending in unison, it's as if they are performing a carefully choreographed dance. This synchronized movement is not just beautiful, but also strategic. By drinking together, giraffes minimize the time they spend in a vulnerable position and keep an eye out for predators. The harmony of their actions, paired with their graceful stature, creates a scene that feels almost otherworldly, showcasing the subtle coordination of nature's giants.